The next flagship from OnePlus could be its biggest upgrade yet. And if the latest rumors are accurate, the upcoming OnePlus May 16 completely changed what people expect from a premium smartphone in 2026. Instead of offering just small improvements over the previous generation, this device could deliver major upgrades across the display, performance, battery, and camera system all at once. Even more exciting, the launch may only be a few months away. According to new information from trusted Tipster digital chat station, the OnePlus 16 is expected to feature a brand new 6.78-inch custom BOE LTPO flat display. While that already sounds impressive, the display itself could become one of the phone's biggest highlights. The panel is rumored to offer a sharp 1.5K resolution along with incredibly slim bezels on all four sides, reportedly measuring close to just 1 millimeter. If true, users could enjoy an almost edge-to-edge viewing experience with perfectly balanced borders, giving the phone a clean, futuristic appearance. This design is reportedly made possible through advanced lipo packaging technology, allowing OnePlus to reduce bezel size without sacrificing durability or display quality. But the display improvements may not stop there. Rumors suggest the screen could target a minimum 185 Hz refresh rate, while OnePlus is also said to be testing support for an incredible 240 Hz. If that becomes reality, the OnePlus 16 could rank among the smoothest smartphones ever released. Everything from scrolling and gaming to animations and touch response could feel faster and more responsive than most flagship devices available today. The display is also rumored to support the BT Point 2020 color gamut, which could produce richer colors, improve color accuracy, and a more immersive viewing experience for videos, gaming, and creative work. Paired with a custom touch controller, the overall responsiveness could reach a whole new level. Performance is expected to receive a major boost as well. Reports suggest the OnePlus 16 will be powered by Qualcomm's next-generation Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 Pro chipset, carrying the model number SM8975. If accurate, this processor could make the phone one of the fastest Android devices of its generation, delivering stronger CPU performance, improved graphics, more advanced AI capabilities, and greater power efficiency. The device is also rumored to support next-generation LPDDR6 memory, allowing faster multitasking, quicker app loading, and smoother gaming performance even during demanding tasks. With hardware like this, the OnePlus 16 could compete directly with other upcoming flagship performance phones, including the rumored iQOO 16. Camera upgrades could be just as impressive. Current leaks point to a triple camera setup on the back, including a 50-megapixel main camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a powerful 200-megapixel periscope telephoto camera. Such a combination could deliver excellent zoom capabilities, sharper long-distance photos, and a highly versatile photography experience for every situation. Battery life may become one of the phone's biggest selling points. Reports claim the OnePlus 16 could feature an enormous battery with a capacity of around 9,000 milliamp hours. If OnePlus manages to fit a battery that large into a slim flagship design, users could enjoy multiple days of battery life, extended gaming sessions, less frequent charging, and a significant advantage over many competing smartphones. On the software side, the phone is expected to launch with Oxygen OS 17 based on Android 17. Users can likely expect updated features, smoother system animations, improved optimization, and new AI-powered tools designed to enhance the overall experience. As for storage options, rumors suggest the entry-level model will start with 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of internal storage, offering premium specifications even in the base configuration. Pricing is currently expected to begin at around 5,000 yuan, which is roughly equivalent to $730 US. If these rumored specifications prove to be accurate, that could make the OnePlus 16 one of the most aggressively priced flagship smartphones in its class. To sum everything up, the OnePlus 16 is rumored to feature an almost bezel-free display with refresh rates reaching up to 240 Hz, Qualcomm's next-generation flagship processor, a 200-megapixel periscope zoom camera, a massive 9,000 milliamp hours battery, the latest Oxygen OS software, and highly competitive pricing. If even a portion of these leaks turns out to be true, the OnePlus 16 could become one of the most exciting flagship smartphones of 2026. Let me know what you think about these rumored upgrades in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more of the latest tech news and smartphone updates. Thanks for so much watching, guys. See you next time.